guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan guys, ang lakas ng hangin. May bagyo yata. May bagyo yata dito. We're here at the playground. At ito na nga. Lakas ng hangin. Lakas ng hangin. It's 7 o'clock here guys. Almost 8 o'clock. Pero mas sobrang lakas ng hangin. So palaro kami kasi itong aming baby lab ay yan guys, may naglalaro ng sipa or footballs. Tapos dun sa kabila may naglalaro ng lakas ng hangin guys. Oh, grabe ang hangin. Muwawi na yata. Yan. Ang lakas ng hangin. Pero sige pa rin, naglalaro pa rin sila ng baseball. Habang ang aming baby ay nag-enjoy dyan. Mag-video muna tayo guys. Sayang ang oras. Ayan, nagkandahulog na guys yung nahulog yung mga sanga sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. Lakas guys ang hangin. Love namin may dog naman. Ayan guys, ang yung mga dandelion ng ganda. Ayan guys, naglalaro sila ng baseball. Ayan sila ang hangin. Ayan, may nag-uwak ng dogs. Ito lang ito ba yung malapit sa may amin. I have some scratch. We love na kasi ayaw sa playground. Kanya meet and greet. Ayan. Ulit sa kalin dito. Ayan guys. Diba? Yung mga dandelions. Yan guys, live po tayo sa Facebook, sa YouTube channel. Hello guys, dito po tayo, nanonood po tayo ng play ng baseball. Malakas ng hangin. Kaya mapakita yung mukha kasi parang sinapunutan ng may naglalaro doon guys. Kita natin. Habang si Baby Love ay nag-i-enjoy dyan sa kaka-slide niya. Pero parang umuulan na guys. Maano na yung ulan. Ayan guys, ang ganda na. Ulan na guys. We need to go back. Hooray! Mga dandelion. I need to let baby love go home na guys. It's raining. Baby love, let's go home, Nanak. It's raining. In 5 minutes we're going home, okay? It's raining. It's raining. We will take a bath. We will take a bath. Okay? Yeah. Horse. Yeah. Yeah. Tigirig, tigirig, tigirig. Tigirig, 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 tigirig. Yan guys. Umuulan na guys. I need to bring baby love home. Because it's raining. It's raining. I need to go home. It's raining. Let's go now. Yeah, it's raining. We will take a bath. We will go to take a bath, Mommy. Yeah, Mommy, we will take a bath, Mommy. Let's go. 5 minutes and then you will go, okay? Hurry up. Ito. Wala namin guys. Kasi naulan na guys. Si Ate Lucy yata yun. Asan yung sasakyan nyo? Bakit naglalakad lang kayo? Say hi to my YouTube channel! Say hi to my YouTube channel! Hi guys! Say hi to my vlog! Hi vlog! Yung batuta ayaw umuwi. Ulan na oh. Ulan na. Sabi ko, kilala ko to ah. Mag-hihil daw eh. Ngayon? May forecast na mag-hihil daw. Bye-bye! Yung may sasakyan, naglakad lang talaga. Sabagay, exercise. Ayun na guys, may forecast na mag-hihil sila Ate Dixie. Let's go home, Nana! Let's go home na! There is a rain! Rain! Come here na! Let's go home na! Let's go home na! There is a rain! There is a hail! Hail na talaga siguro kasi yung clouds, oh. Yan ang clouds. Grabe. Yan guys ang clouds. Nakapal. Kapal guys ng clouds. Yan. Let's go home na. Okay, you don't want to go home. I will go home, okay? Ayun na guys, yan lang naman ang bahay namin. Flower. Ayan guys, so may naglalaro pa din kahit na maambon. Ang guys. Yan yung clouds. Mag-ihir talaga kasi tingnan mo kapal ng ang kapal guys ng clouds. May naglalaro ng footballs. Yan na, may kulay. Itong yun, airplane. Nakikita. Ang kapal ng ano, kapal ng diba? Clouds. Clouds, 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 clouds. Airplane! Airplane! Bye, airplane! Ayan guys. Ang batang salad. Ayan guys. We're all okay. Right? We are all done. Thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now. And si delivery boy. Hello. Si delivery boy. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.